roadside hotel in Rajasthan had a hidden diesel pump, and that too in 200 meters beside a police station. What makes it unbelievable is they were secretly running this diesel business as their mainstream behind a hotel. And for you to believe this business were worth crores. Let me break down this entire scam in detail in this video. In a village near Bikaner, a hotel called Mahadev Hotel was running this scam diesel pump behind them. Underneath the hotel, there were underground tanks which were capable of holding 2 lakh liters of diesel, connected with pipes, drums, and even petrol pump dispensers. From outside, it was looking like a roadside hotel, but behind the scene, it was a chemical laboratory, adulterated diesel. What is shocking is how carefully did this gang set up the whole plan. As shown in the image from the raid, this gang dug deep inside, created concreted lined underground tanks, just like how a real petrol pump people operate. They installed extensive pipelines, hidden dispensers hoses, and even a POP furnace setup so that the chemical mix is precisely done. This entire infrastructure looks legitimate and professional, helping them to avoid suspicion. The tanks could handle massive volumes and made it look like a normal fueling point for truck owners. The real question is, how did they do it? Chemicals were smuggled from Kandala port in Gujarat and had a fake invoice in a company named Navnath Oil and Chemicals. Once the chemicals were arrived, they were offloaded in these underground tanks behind the hotel and then mixed with additives to produce fake diesel. The final product was sold in half the price of the market rate. It costed 45 rupees when the actual product cost 90 rupees per liter. This cheap diesel was sold mainly to truck owners and transporters who visited this hotel, unaware people or simply tempted by the lower price. While driver thought about saving money, but they were actually damaging the engines and risking the explosion. Now let's talk about the scale and how big is this scam and how much these people were earning. One tanker carried around 35,000 liters. They were receiving about 25 such tankers each month. Now do the math. That's 8.75 lakh liters monthly, translating to around 7.8 crore worth of illegal diesel trade every month. The operations were running only 200 meters away from the local police stations and was active for 4 years. Despite multiple complaints from the villagers and also fuel associations, no serious actions were taken till now. This raises a big question about local police involvement or negligence. During the raid led by IG Om Prakash and his team, the police seized around 40,000 liters of diesel adulterated, 3.55 lakh cash, tankers, pickups, and all the equipment used in the mixing process. 3 people were arrested: driver Banwari Lal, Netram, and Pradeep. Investigations are linking this racket to other incidents like the massive fire accident happened in a village last year. After this bust, authorities are probing that a large interstate smuggling network is behind this operation. The IG has also urged people to always buy fuel from a licensed petrol pump. This story is not about a fake diesel. It exposes the crack in the local administration, the vulnerability in our transport sector, and the risk that drivers face unknowingly. This is the important awareness message for every truck owners that our trucks are worth lakhs and our livelihood runs on it. We work hard, save money, pay EMIs, and put everything to keep this truck running. Please do not fall for any kind of cheap alternative for diesel. It can spoil your engine, seize it completely, and make you spend more than you expect. What do you think? How can this large-scale operation run behind for so long without being caught? Let us know your opinion in the comment section.